excited to bring you through a journey of the energy centers through the chakras, using our vocals to clear, activate, energize each energy center, starting from the root and ending at the crown. So as we go through this, I will be introducing each chakra, the color that you can bring to mind when we meditate on this chakra. Also an affirmation to help balance and engage what that energy center is meant for. And then a sound, a vowel that attunes with that energy center. And we'll practice sounding. We'll do each one 3 times. And I will be using some crystal bowls to set the tone for us. Now, this is not about being perfect with your voice. Do not get in your head. It is about the energy of sounding, the release, the movement that sounding creates within us. So don't get hung up on how you sound. Just allow the sound to move through you. I'm excited to take you on this journey. So relax, get comfortable. Make sure that you're sitting upright. That's going to be the best for sound projection and movement of energy through the body. So we'll get started. We begin the vocal journey at the root, the base of the spine. And the color that is associated with the root chakra is red. I invite you to imagine a red spinning sphere rotating clockwise, sitting right at the base of your spine. An affirmation that grounds you. I am connected with the energy of Mother Earth. My body, mind, and spirit are grounded, centered, and purified. The sound that goes with the root chakra to start the energy in motion, to rebalance, is as in sun. The note is C. So you're going to hear the tone of the sound bowl, and then we're going to repeat 3 times the sound of matching the tone of the note of C. We now move to the sacral chakra. So move just slightly up from the root, just below the navel. This is your energy center of creativity, of sexual expression, and nourishment. The color that is associated with this chakra is orange. An orange rotating sphere. Fill that space. An affirmation that supports this energy center. I love all dimensions of myself. I delight in weaving the creative tapestry that is my life. The sound that's associated with this chakra is ooh, as in you. And the note is D. We continue our journey to the solar plexus, which resides right at the base of the ribs, above the navel, but below the heart space. The color that is associated with this energy center is yellow. And an affirmation: my will and divine will are one. I am connected to the abundant flow of the universe and can easily manifest my dreams. This is our center of will. The sound that's associated is O, as in go. The note is E. We arrive at the heart space, the center of love, which has a color of green. An affirmation: my heart is open to receive the energy of love. I radiate this essence. I walk my path with ease and grace. The sound that's associated with this energy center, the heart chakra, is Ah, as in Father. The note is F. We continue to move up to the throat chakra, which resides right in front of the voice box. This is our center in which we express our voice of truth. The color that's associated with it is a blue. And an affirmation to open this space: I am aligned with my highest truth and communicate this with love and honor. My words echo softly within the universe. The sound that goes with the throat chakra is I, as in light, and the note is G. We continue our ascension to the third eye, which rests right in between your brows. It's also known as the pineal gland. Our third eye is connected with the color of indigo. And an affirmation: my mind is open to new vision. I expand my awareness through my highest self. The sound that goes with the third eye chakra is A, as in day, and the note is A. We complete our journey here at the crown chakra, placed directly at the top of the head, acting as a portal from us into the all-knowing realm, to the universe, to pure light. The color associated is a white. Imagine crystal white energy. An affirmation for this portal: I am connected to the divine source of the universe. I am light. I trust. The sound for the crown chakra is E, as in sea, and the note is B. Now we gather a breath starting at the root chakra and energizing through each energy center until we get to the top, and we hold. In through the mouth. Hold. Feel your energy centers harmonizing. And release. You are aligned. You are present. You are light. and all is